Alright everybody, well we got another product review for you guys. Zero sent us a few products. We're going to talk about this laptop stand right here. It's getting ready to get released on the 30th, as you can see here in the store. So let's open this up and take a look at it. Let's get this opened up. Alright, so it looks like it's good material, aluminum alloy. Let's see how the motion is on this here. Okay, so it comes with a Allen wrench right here for adjustability. So you can lock it in when you want to set it. So if you're standing or sitting, it moves very smooth. I don't feel a lot of play inside of it. It seems like there's good construction on it as well. I do see they actually have the brackets all flush mounted in there, all the screws and everything. It comes with a stand here where you can lock it in actually and set it down, for example. So I do like that it's very sturdy. And it's got a catch here for the MacBook, for example. So let's try it out here. Let's test it out. You know what? This is actually really nice, actually. I actually do like this stand. All right, so one thing I do like is that I'm actually standing. And what's nice is a lot of times you're always hunched over when you're doing like lighting things and doing things, or I'm editing a video and things like that. What's nice about this product right here is that I can actually stand up, do what I got to do. It's comfortable for me. It's easy to use, sturdy, it's not going anywhere, it doesn't slip, it's got pads on it plus a catch bracket, and on the bottom of this you have some more pads as well. So I like the construction, I love that it's durable, I love that you can lock it and you can adjust it as well too if I want to bring it down lower. If you're sitting down, you can do it as well. But this is actually very comfortable and I like this product very much. So I think they did a very good job with this product, and it's very sturdy. It does come with a Allen wrench that you can lock in the bolts on here, so you can tighten it down and get it exactly how you want it if you want to do that, or you can leave it a little bit loose and adjust it with it. But it's very workable, very usable, very sturdy. I'm very impressed by this product. It is getting ready to launch 30th of January right here, and we're going to go through. You can see the price point there. So I love it that it doesn't, like I said, it doesn't wobble, doesn't move, it's good construction. Definitely it's a good product. We feel very comfortable with something that we would use here at Tekkies, and we sell to our customers as well. So we stand behind this and think this is a great product. I definitely give this out of 5 stars. I think that they did a very good job. The only thing I wish they could do better is that it had maybe like a little wing nut or something for the adjustability that was a little bit easier instead of an Allen wrench, but I get why they want to put this in there to make it a little more sturdier. So either way, it's still good. It's not that hard to use. Good product. Go out and check out their Amazon store, Zero. Check them out. Coming up next, we have one more product for you. We have the Nintendo Switch cooling dock. All right, we have our second product from year zero. That's just getting ready to get launched here on the 30th. We have the Nintendo Switch cooling dock, which is a huge problem for these Nintendo Switches. If you take a look right here, you see how the Nintendo Switch is inside of here, and it traps the heat in here, and they overheat. We get all the time and come in for repairs having problems with heat issues and fans and thermal paste and other issues just because of this dock right here and the amount of heat that it has. So what's nice is that they've created a product to solve that problem actually. And it fast charges too. And it works with the Nintendo Lite also as well. So let's open this up and let's check this out and unbox it. Alright. Great product. It is made of plastic. It does have some rubber feet on it. One of the things that I do like about this, it has the Nintendo Switch C charging port in the back. It's got a HDMI and it has USB 3 and 2 outputs on it, but it has the fan on here. And another thing that I like too about this is versus the other dock that you see there, and see how this can just sit in the open like this? So it has the fan actually blowing right in the back, and this is right where the processor is in the back, so it's actually a very good design. It has an off and on switch on top of that, turn the fan off and on if you don't want the cooling with it. And on top of that, it actually charges properly. A lot of the docks that you see that are out there in the market right now just don't charge properly and they burn out the charging IC chips. We can get those in almost every week for people using aftermarket chargers or docks. So this is a great solution that doesn't damage that at all. So let's take a look and see, and you can see Nintendo Switch Lite works in it as well too, and you can see that it's charging up there. So let's turn the fan and see how noisy it is. So it's not very loud, you don't really notice it that much at all. You do hear a little bit when it is out of there, a little bit, but it does sound good. It does its job, you hook your HDMI. Alright, so the price point is now they're going to be at $26.99, so it's very affordable. A lot cheaper than an original Nintendo dock, and it's going to save your Switch from burning out early. And this is getting ready to drop on January 30th, so it's a brand new product. So go check them out at the Year Zero store here. Everybody, so we have our giveaways here. We're going to be giving these products away on our Instagram. So go ahead and like and leave a comment down below. In the next 2 weeks, we'll be giving this one away, the laptop stand. And on our YouTube channel, subscribe to our channel and like this video. And you have a chance of winning this Nintendo Switch dock. And we will do on our Tech Tuesday, we'll announce the winners for both these products. Thanks for watching our video. And don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below, so you can get the latest news, product reviews, custom build towers that we do, how to repair your gadgets that you have at home. And we look forward to you guys, so hit that notification button down there. And don't forget to check out our store at tekkies.store, our website.